What's up guys, it's me, Judd from Your Average Consumer, and today I'm going hands-free. Now, what does that mean? Well, imagine going a day barely looking at your phone and completely relying on AI glasses. These are the Meta Ray-Ban display and the Meta Neural Band, and we're going to see just how much these change things when it comes to having to pull out our tech. Now, for those of you who don't know, these are called the Meta Ray-Ban display because it has a display built right into the right lens. So when you have these on, you actually get an overlay of the menu for these glasses. And this is what's going to allow me to use the most important features that I need throughout the day, all from the glasses. Now you might be wondering, how do you interact with a menu built into your glasses? And that's where this guy comes in. This is the Meta Neural Band. And with this band, you can actually do hand gestures to control everything that you're seeing on the display built into the lens. And what's crazy here is the tech that is involved in this band is just as impressive as the tech built into the glasses. So this band uses electromyography, EMG, to detect small gestures, and it turns those small gestures into commands that get delivered to the glasses. So you basically control these glasses with just the slightest movements. And it's actually really simple and intuitive. To turn my display on or off, I just have to double tap my middle finger with my thumb. And if I want to select something, all I have to do is use my index finger and my thumb, and then I can select it just like that. And if I want to go back, hit that middle finger once. But what's really impressive is navigating it. So you can navigate menus by basically putting your hand in a fist and using your thumb and swiping across that index finger to highlight the things that you want throughout the menu. And when you find something that you want to get, boom, and you've got the ability to control it. It's super cool and very easy to learn and get used to. And I love that it's all really subtle. Like I can control these glasses from inside my pocket. Like you would have no idea that I'm scrolling through the menu. Well, maybe if you're looking directly at my pocket, but it's that subtle. Now, obviously these aren't Meta's first pair of AI glasses. So these have all of the same features that we're accustomed to on the Ray-Ban Meta Display-less AI glasses. So we've got built-in cameras to capture photo and video, as well as a touch panel over here where you can do things like increase the volume, decrease the volume, or even navigate the menu that you get on the display by swiping left, right, up, down, and then you can tap to select. Oh, I'm playing some music, I don't want to do all that just yet. And as you just heard, it has built-in speakers, so you can listen to audio directly from your phone, or you can use the microphones built into here to also take a call. You can have a conversation with someone right from these glasses, and the mics on these are so good that the person on the other side hears you clear as day. Now, the whole goal behind these glasses, the band, everything that's built into this is basically all about being able to do the everyday things without having to pull out the distraction of our smartphone. So whether that's taking a photo, listening to music, or being on a call, your ears are still out there, so you're still very present, or having to do these grand gestures that take you out of whatever experience you might be in at the moment. So it's all about bringing those features to you in a subtle way that doesn't disrupt you. Now, that's not to say that you can go without your phone at all. It does need to be paired to your phone in order to play the music, get the internet, all the stuff. So I'm just gonna put this thing in my pocket. So we're gonna see how present I can be with just a display. Now, something I wanted to do today was make some changes to this laundry room, give it a bit of a makeover, but I'm not gonna be able to do this solo. So Ari, all right babe, so what are we thinking? I think we move this into the corner over there.
Yeah, that makes sense because this comes out of it, so.
The only thing I don't know is I don't know about this, all this right here. It's all right in the center.
No, I think we might have to keep it over there though because we need access to all of that.
You know what? Let's ask Meta. Hey Meta, take a picture and give me some suggestions to hide these outlets and pipes behind my washing machine.
You can install a wall panel or trim to cover the outlets and pipes. 2. Use a washing machine cabinet or enclosure.
All right, cool. I like that second option. Use a washing machine cabinet or enclosure.
Yeah.
What do you think?
This sounds good.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Show you?
It's showing me what an example of that would be. That's really cool.
Can I see it?
Yeah, check this out. Hopefully it's still on.
Oh.
You know, so we could just put that there and we have that over here. It would look super tidy. Mm-hmm. It pulled up an image.
Yeah, it pulled up an image. It's not fitting to the exact room, but
it gives you an idea.
Yeah,
of
I was gonna Google that. That's why I was on my phone. I was gonna like Google what a.
All right, we could do some research on that, and then we'll do some wallpaper.
Change the title.
change the tiles. Okay, we actually have a starting place.
Feels good. It's
All
a
right.
long time coming.
Yeah, you're not wrong. And that's the beauty of having this whole combo, right? We use Meta AI, we use the camera, and we use the display, all to give us an idea of what we can do in this area. That is actually so cool. And I didn't even need to pull my phone out to kind of get an idea of where we needed to go with that. So that's super awesome. And it even sent a reminder so I don't forget what we just talked about. That's actually insane. And that's the beauty of these. We use it for this really random scenario, but I can also use it to identify anything else that I may be looking at. If I'm outside and I encounter something I'm not familiar with, if I see something that's in a different language, it can translate, identify, do all the things, all from right here. It's pretty sick. It is a little bit later in the day, and today's not our typical since I'm home. So I'm gonna check my calendar and make sure I know what's going on for the rest of the day. Hey Meta, what's on my calendar?
Today, call B at 2:55.
Oh, right. So I do have a call with B, and that's in like 3 minutes. So right now I can see all of the events that I've got left on my calendar, which is a lot, but I do need to call B. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually do a video chat right from the glasses. One of the cool parts is because WhatsApp is integrated here, I can use it to send messages or even video calls. Let me dictate a message. Hey, you good to talk right now? Question mark. So right within WhatsApp, I can do a video call or a regular call. So let's go video. Hey Meta, video call Bianca on WhatsApp. B, what's up? Can you hear me?
I do hear you.
Nice. Hold on, let me see if I can bring the volume up. All right. It's going all right. You see these guys?
I do.
So I'm trying to wrap up for the day, but I want to make sure we don't miss anything. Can you catch me up on whatever I might be missing?
Absolutely. One thing that comes to mind is definitely 25 days, 25 tech gifts.
Oh, you're right. We gotta do the next day. Today's day 7. So we gotta crank that one out. So that's great. So we'll take care of that. You've never seen inside of my house, right? Because you haven't been over.
No, I haven't.
Well,
This is the most glimpse I've ever gotten.
this is a sneak peek. You're welcome to come whenever, but this is the place. Look, I can do like a live tour in real time. That's crazy, and you're getting my POV. All right, taking a little break to refuel, but I figured why not scroll Instagram, because we do have Instagram integration here. You can't check the feed, but you can check any post that people have sent you, and you can just watch it right from here. Some parenting stuff from Ari, that's cool. Let's see what Anna sent me. Oh wow, that movie did really well. You know that anime movie that just came out? Oscar, it's got 100% on Rotten Tomatoes.
Oh, really?
It beat the last one that had 98%. Jeez.
I will watch that.
I'm so mad I haven't seen it yet. Okay, you can actually respond to people too, so I'm going to dictate a message. Oh man, I really need to go check that out. Sucks that you don't watch this one. I mean, being able to interact with Instagram right from your glasses, tell me we're not in the future. Now, once I'm all caught up with my messages, I can just sit back and listen to some music. And I haven't mentioned it yet, but I just love the gesture for controlling the volume, where you pinch, and then it's like you're turning a knob and that increases or decreases the volume. It makes so much sense. I love that. And it also works for adjusting the brightness. But yeah, now I get to just chill, listen to some music, and finish my lunch. All right, so the workday's almost done and the boys are gonna be on their way home soon. And honestly, I owe Austin some cards. We're both collectors and I opened some of his packs recently. So I've gotta replace them and I need to find somewhere to do that. I'll see if I can find a spot with the glasses. Are there any comic book or card shops nearby? Okay. All right, so there's a spot. We're gonna go check it out and see if they have any of the packs that he likes to collect. I gotta get there before he gets home. Let me just grab my jacket. Okay, so I'm in the vicinity of the comic book store that we're gonna be heading to. And one of the features that's kind of mind-blowing about these glasses is the ability to use pedestrian navigation. You can search up a spot nearby and you're able to get actual walking directions to that location. And it's in select cities right now, but if you're in a place that you're unfamiliar with, I've used it on multiple trips in New York and it is super useful. But what's nice is even if you don't have the turn-by-turn navigation directions on, it is still pretty useful to see the map and see the route that you need to go, even if it isn't turn-by-turn. So I see that we're really close and it is to my left.
So let's get going.
All right, guys, so made it into a comic book shop that has a ton of awesome cards. I'm gonna replace Austin's, but they've got some new ones I've never seen before, so I've got some questions. Okay, so I spent way too long learning about the cards that I showed the glasses here, and I ended up having to rush home. So as you can tell, it's pretty late, day's done. These guys are home, and we just... I mean, I feel like I need to capture this. Go ahead, Bear, show me what you got. Don't hurt yourself now. What's really cool about the displays though, is that I can actually see the viewfinder while he's doing what he's doing and I'm capturing this. And I can even zoom in. If you guys aren't really seeing this well, hopefully now you can. One more time, buddy. Let's zoom back out. I mean, these are absolutely insane glasses. The fact that I was able to do all of the things I did today without pulling out my phone, absolutely insane. And pro tip, if you've got notifications being read to you while you're wearing these, it makes it even easier to stay connected with the things going on. Adrian, show me that spin one more time, man. You are a master at that. Pound it. Ooh. So it's safe to say, if you spend a day with these, it's really easy to see how incredible they are. Of course, if you guys want to check them out, I'll have links down below in the description. And make sure you subscribe to the Ray-Ban Meta YouTube channel if you want to see more cool videos like this. Comment the kind of video that you guys want to see. But I've got some crazy action going on over here that I need to get back to. What are you gonna do, Adri? I've got your recording, go for it. All right, and ooh. That was cool. All right, y'all. Peace.